Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily cancel car insurance in UK. So first, and the easiest way is to contact your insurer directly. Call, email, or use their website. Just stopping payments doesn't cancel it. Also expect a fee. Most insurers charge 25 to 60 euros to cancel. If you pay monthly, you might still owe money. And here's another way to cancel your car insurance. Just head over to moneysupermarket.com. Then next is hover your mouse on help and rewards. Then click on contact us. So from here, just scroll down. And from here, you can reach them out through their email address. You can also write to them and you can see their address here. And you can just click on the chat button found at the right corner of your screen. Just click on it. And from here, you can start by entering your email address, then start composing a message to them. You can describe the issue as you're going to need help or assistance in canceling your car insurance. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!